Measure out 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs and put them into a mixing bowl. Then measure out 1/3 cup of brown sugar and add that into the mixing bowl. Measure out 1/2 teaspoon of Saigon cinnamon and add that into the mixing bowl. Measure out 1/3 cup of melted butter and add that into your mixing bowl. Take a rubber spatula and thoroughly mix the entire contents of your mixing bowl. Take an 8-inch springform pan. You're going to add your cookie crust into the pan. Using your hand, you're going to firmly press down on the graham cracker cookie crust and form it to the shape of the pan. Place in the refrigerator to chill while you make the rest of your cream cheese batter. Take 16 ounces of homemade cream cheese or 2 packets of cream cheese from the store and place that into your mixer. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now turn your mixer on. Turn it on to the beat setting of your mixer. Measure out 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and add that into your mix. Let it mix for about 20 to 30 seconds. Stop your blender and clean your blades of the cream cheese. Then start it back up again, this time on the whipping setting. You want to leave it alone for about 1 minute, but make sure to use your rubber spatula to scrape the sides of your mixing bowl. Measure out 1/3 cup of white sugar and add that into your mixing bowl. Let it whip for about another minute. Now it's time to decide what flavor extract you want to use. There's almond extract, peppermint extract, orange extract, banana extract, lemon extract, and vanilla extract. These are just examples of extracts you can add to your cheesecake batter to make it taste different. For this recipe, we're using vanilla extract. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into your cake batter. Now if you're looking for a larger vanilla flavor, before you turn your mixer off and transfer it into your pie crust, taste your batter. If it feels like it needs more vanilla or whatever extract flavor you used, add another teaspoon. After you're done mixing, your cheesecake batter should look like this, stiff with peaks. Take your pre-made crust out of the refrigerator and add your cake batter to the top of it. Use a rubber spatula to evenly smooth down your cake. Take your country cherry can and you're going to decorate the top of your cheesecake with it. I like to use a spoon and scoop the cherries right into the center of the cheesecake. Then I take the spoon and I drizzle the syrup all along the sides of the cheesecake. This is optional, but you can add chocolate chips to the top of your cheesecake as well. Then place in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Then you can serve. Take it out of the springform pan. Using a metal spatula, you're going to scrape along the bottom in a circular fashion like this. That way it will disengage from the pan. Then you just slide off into your serving plate. Use a knife and cut yourself a piece.